Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a new design at 1920 by 1080 and importing the assets you prepared. This speeds everything up. Select a template or blank page, then add your background and key elements in layers so you can animate independently. Once done, set each page duration to match your storyboard. 0. 5 to 3 seconds for quick beats, longer for emphasis. You do this because separation of layers lets you control motion precisely and prevents visual clutter as you animate. Now you focus on the detailed execution. Select a single element and open the Animate menu, because per-element motion gives you control over timing and interest. Choose pan, rise, drift, or a custom effect, and then tweak easing so movement feels natural. Use delay to stagger entrances and duration to control speed. This mimics keyframes so your composition reads logically. Make sure to preview the sequence, adjusting overlaps so elements lead the eye rather than collide, and refine until transitions feel intentional. To finish, preview the full playback and export as MP4 for video or GIF for short loops. Choose 24 to 30 frames per second for smooth motion. Before export, make sure all page durations and delays are final, then use Reduce File Size if the file is too large. If something looks jittery or clipped, check layer alignment and snap elements to the pixel grid, then re-export. This resolves most motion artifacts. You do this to ensure consistent playback across platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.